Malapit na talaga ang muling pagbabalik ng ating Panginoong Hesus. Panoorin ninyo ito, marami nang nagbabalik loob. Maghanda po tayong lahat.
Total freedom from now. It's time to roar the truth, to roar that Jesus heals and delivers, and revival is now. More of the power of God, more of the power of God. Complete freedom now, in Jesus' name. Death out now. He heals completely. I declare every spirit of lack, this anxiety must go now. People are tormented unnecessarily. If they would simply come to Jesus, who is moving in power today, they could be freed and healed like that.
Kailangan na natin magsisi at magbalik loob sa Diyos na lalapit na talaga. Nasa revelation na po tayo.